So first you're just going to, if you drag a box around the whole icons, you'll just select the icons and then you'll want to copy them. And then find the slide that you want to use for your rotations and paste them in. And then from here, I would just delete the rotations that I don't plan on using. If you just drag like a little box on those, you'll select the whole stack because there's a whole stack of icons in for each one. And so just delete all the ones that you don't want, and then you're going to want to move them off to the side to kind of organize them so they're not in the way as you build your schedule. Again, you're going to kind of want to drag a box around them so that you can move them more easily, and you aren't just selecting one, you're selecting the whole stack. After you have done that, then you can start to move them in the order that you want. If you just want every group to go to every single rotation and not be strategic in which centers they go to, then you can just go ahead and start grabbing them in order and then changing them on each rotation. A couple of tricks to get them to move, just like if you can't get it to line up easily into the slot, then you can just push Control and the arrow keys to nudge it just a little bit. And then you can go ahead and delete any of the remaining icons. And then this is how you can move them, copy and paste them to each slide. So just delete the name text box and paste the whole slide there on each of the slides. And this is what they all look like together. When you're in present mode, there's that gray arrow that shows which rotation you are on, and you can start the timer from each rotation. Okay, if you want to slightly alter like a Tuesdays to be different than Mondays, this is how you will do it. I would just recommend copy and pasting Monday's page to Tuesday's page. And then this is the quickest way to do it. If you just change one of the columns, pull it out, and then you'll select the rest of them and move them over, and then you can move that last column to the last spot. And that is the quickest way to just slightly alter them.